Imagine setting up your own N8n server, unlimited workflows, full control, and no usage limits. We can do this in under 10 minutes, and it's way easier than you think. Now, if you thought self-hosting sounds complicated, then think again, because in this video, I'll walk you through the 3 simple steps to spin up your own N8n server on Hostinger. And by the end of this video, you'll have a fully self-hosted automation platform that's ready to scale without any limits. Now, before we jump into that, let's just talk about why you might want to self-host N8n rather than just signing up on the N8n website and using the cloud version. If you're on N8n Cloud, then you're paying per seat and per usage, which can get expensive pretty fast. But if you self-host, then you're not penalized for growing your team or scaling up. You just pay for your VPS plan, which can be as little as $5 per month, and you can run as many automations as you want with as many team members as you want. Now, on the cloud version of N8n, you're also limited in which nodes you can access, but with self-hosting, you unlock the entire community node ecosystem. That means you can connect to just about any tool, service, or API without any restrictions. And let's not forget about privacy. When you self-host, your workflows and data live on your servers, not someone else's. You get flexibility, control, and full peace of mind. So let's get this all set up together. It's only going to take 3 steps. Step 1 is to go to hostinger.com/self-hosted N8n, which I linked in the description for easy access. And there you'll choose a VPS plan. The KVM2 plan is the most popular plan, but you can pick the one that matches your needs. Now let's move on to step 2. During onboarding, simply select the N8n template, create a root password for your VPS, and click continue. Hostinger will take care of all the installation for you. Now let's move on to step 3. Once setup is complete, log into N8n for the first time, create your owner account with your email, name, and password, and you're in. That's it. You're now running your own self-hosted instance of N8n. Now from here, you can start building workflows from scratch or take a shortcut. N8n has thousands of ready-made templates. Just open the catalog, choose the workflow you want, and press use workflow, and it imports directly into your workspace. Just connect your credentials for the nodes and you're live in minutes. And if you're in sales or lead generation, we've gone a step further. We've built some incredible free sales workflows powered by Wiza that you can grab in the link in the description. These templates let you enrich contacts with verified emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles right inside N8n. So if you're serious about automating your business and saving hours every week, then self-hosting N8n is just the foundation. Now we can take it a step further, and in the next video, I'll show you a real example of a mind-blowing workflow that uses Wiza's N8n Node to enrich your leads automatically. So click the video on the screen right here to watch it, or go down to the link in the description if you don't see it on screen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful, and have a magical day. I'll see you in the next video.